How to fix not receiving emails on the Mail app on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to fix not receiving emails. So first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone home screen, go and search for Mail and open up the app. You can then click on the arrow in the top left hand side, and here you'll see all of your different Mail accounts. Now make sure you've selected all inboxes over in the top left hand side, and you can check to see if you can see your email from here. If it's not working, then click on the arrow once again. You can then scroll down to the specific email account you want to check. So let's say for example I wanted to check my Gmail account. Then try checking to see if the email is ended up in the junk folder. So I'm just going to press junk like so and see if you can find your email from here. Now if it's still not working, close out of the app and we need to open up the settings on your phone. You're then just going to scroll down this page and click on apps. Now scroll down again until you see the Mail app and go and select this. You could then scroll down to mobile data, make sure this is turned on. Scroll down to the default Mail app and click on this. Make sure this is set to Mail. Now come back over to the previous window. We're then going to scroll to the top of the page and click on Mail Accounts. Click on Fetch New Data. Make sure Push is turned on like this. You can also select the individual accounts such as iCloud and make sure you have Push turned on like so. Now scroll down to Fetch and go and set this to automatically. Now come back over to the previous window and here you'll see your different mailing accounts. Now what you can do is go and select any of the accounts like so and make sure Mail is turned on at the top of this page. You may also need to click on Account Settings and make sure you have the correct information for your email account. Now if it's still not working, head back over to the previous window and click on the Delete Account button. You'll then need to select Delete from my iPhone. Once it's been deleted, click on Add Account. You could then select Choose from a List and you'll need to go through the steps to re-add your email account. Once you've done this, you can head back over to the mailing app and you should now be receiving emails.